What up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 15. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can let go. This also does work with pretty much any other iPhone. So if you guys are here for anything but the 15, this also works on those too. You can let go. Also, if this video has helped you guys out, subscribe to the channel. And there you guys go, your iPhone has been force resetted.